In this video, I will guide you how to make soft edges of an image in PowerPoint, like this one. So how you can do that? I'm deleting this picture. Go to the insert, click on the picture, click on this device and select any picture. For example, I have this picture, click insert, make it resize. Now right click on the picture and go to the format picture. And on the right side of the basket you will see that effects. You need to click on that and go to the soft edges. And here is the some presets. You need to select any of them. For example, I'm selecting this one and here you can increase the soft edges. So in this way you can easily make soft edges of an image in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.